Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today we are going to see a new topic in Linux, how to manage processes with the help of ps and kill command. PS stands for process status. How are we going to check the process status in Linux, as well as how we are going to kill a particular process in Linux? We are going to see these commands in today's video. For this, we are going to open the terminal. I require to be logged in as a root user. I have logged in as a root user, and hence it is showing me the hash symbol. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the bash shell scripting over here. So bash is the command which is going to start my bash shell scripting, after which I'm going to start SSH protocol, that is SSH hyphen X localhost. This particular command is going to start my SSH protocol on my localhost machine. It is asking me whether you want to continue connecting. I will say yes. Obviously I want to continue connecting. So since it is an SSH protocol, it requires the password to be given. So I'm just going to type the password. The password has been accepted, and now I have this particular SSH running inside my Linux machine. Now what I will do is I will open the gedit, you can say, at the background. Now this ampersand indicates that my gedit will be opened at the background. You can see that my editor has been opened and my terminal is also free to use or to execute any commands over here. So this is the gedit window which has been opened, and you will see that the process ID has come. So the process ID is 9305. So this indicates that 9305 will be identified my as a process ID over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the command ps. PS stands for the process status, and I'm going to write AFX. Now what this AFX indicates over here is AFX is going to give me all the information in the parent-child relationship. Now what do you mean by parent-child relationship? You can see that this particular process consists of so many child processes, so it will be shown in the parent-child relationship over here. So I can get all the information about the process if I write PSAFX. The F stands for, or it is going to show me the parent-child relationship. Now from this particular lot of information, if I want the processes only of SSH protocol, then what am I going to do is I'm going to type PS AUX. So AUX is also going to give me the information about the processes, but the only thing is that over here you are not going to have a parent-child relationship. I'll just show you how the PSAUX looks like. The PSAUX is going to give you the straight informations, such as I will just see the information. It is going to give the PID, that is the process ID, the TTY, it is nothing but the device name, which is completely empty, the status, whether the process is in running state or sleeping state or in zombie state, then the time at which the process has been started, and the command by which the process has been started. So this is the output that is going to come from your PSAUX. So I will just write PSAUX, and then I will write the pipe symbol, and the command which I'm going to write is grep command. Grep command is used for searching. So what it is going to search, it is going to search the SSH protocol, and you will see that there are 4 processes that is being started with the SSH protocol. Their PIDs are given over here. It is 7607, 9276, and so on. So these are the processes. You can see the PID that is given. Now I will be utilizing the PID 7296 over here. Now if I want to kill this particular process, so I hope you have understood the process status command. So it is going to give you the information about the process or the process status. Then if I want to kill this particular process, there is a command which is called as kill, and I will just have to mention the process ID, that is the PID. It is 9276. So this is the process which I had created with the SSH-X localhost command. So I'm going to kill this process. So if I press enter, I'm just pressing enter, it is said that it is going to be killed by signal 15. Now this is the normal killing of any kind of process. Now again if I type this particular command, that is my PSAUX and SSH wala command, you will I'll just type that command again, it is my PS AUX. Then I'm going to write the pipe symbol, and it is my grape SSH, and I press enter and check. You will see that that particular process has been killed over here. So with the help of the kill command, you can kill any kind of process. So this is what I wanted to show in the video, how to check out the process status with the help of PS command, and how to kill the particular process with the help of PID is what we have covered in today's video. If you like my video, please do like, share and comment. Even subscribe my channel if you like my videos. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.